Hello everybody, welcome back. In this class today I'm going to introduce Spring. And before knowing about Spring, you need to know some concepts like what is the use of frameworks. For enterprise level business application development, Sun Microsystem has provided J2EE module. And this J2EE module contains component APIs and service APIs. Now, component APIs are used to generate or create a web component or an enterprise component. And what are the component APIs you are having? We have Servlet, the JSP, and EJP. These three are the component APIs. And each component needs support of service APIs to provide service to the clients. So we call service APIs as helpers to component APIs. Then the service API provided by Sun are JNDI, JMS, JNDI stands for Java Naming Directory Interface, JMS Java Messaging Service, Java Mail, JTA, and JAAS. JAAS stands for Java Authentication and Authorization Service. Web Services Architecture and JCA. JCA stands for Java Connector Architecture. So these are the service APIs provided by the Sun. If Java programmers directly use the component and service APIs, then the programmers are getting the following problems. Day-to-day applications need lot of application configurations and also server configurations. So it increases the burden on programmers. If any exception is occurred, then finding the root cause is difficult. So unit testing of application is difficult because server is mandatory. If any problem is occurred during the testing, then shutdown and restarting the server is required and it makes a time consuming process. So J2E makes tight coupling between objects and to overcome the above problems, vendors started providing the frameworks. Today we have multiple frameworks for each layer of application development. And why Spring is an alternative to EJB? EJB application development is complex and it makes use of heavyweight components for the application development. So EJBs are executed only in the server environment and these are tightly coupled objects. Spring framework is overcoming the above problems of EJB in a simple way. Spring uses POGI or POJO model for the application development, and Spring makes the application testing easier because of its own container. And Spring provides loose coupling between the objects. Because of the above reasons, Spring framework is far better than working with EJB. So we are calling Spring framework as an alternative to EJB. So this is about that is before knowing the Spring, we need to know some these concepts. So I'll continue in the next video. Hope you understood. Thank you.